Yo, welcome back to Tyson's Alchemy, and today we're going to be talking about focus. Young G asked me, Tyson, how can I stay focused? Do you have any advice? I do have some advice, might not be perfect for everyone, but this is how I do it. I'm going to break it down to 5 things that I think about when I want to get focused. Number 1, have a clear goal on what it is you want to do. If you don't know what your plan of attack is for whatever the job is that you're trying to do, let's say in my example, I'm focusing on an edit that needs done. I need to know exactly what type of edit I'm doing, what I need to do it, and how long I want it to take me. And then, some chicken. Ooh, see, got distracted by the chicken. You see how that works? Hey, focus. You need to have a clear goal on what it is you want to do. If you don't have a clear goal, you are going to get distracted by the wondering and pondering of what the goal is going to be. Before you start anything, think, what is it I'm trying to achieve? And then go do it. That's number 1. Number 2 is distractions. Right, the whole world's full of distractions. How are you going to stay focused? Well, obviously, you need to, oh look, a bird, you see? You need to close out all distractions if you can. That means for you, sitting in a dark room with your head on the screen trying to get your edit done, then that's exactly what you'd have to do. But obviously that's a bit of an extreme example. You need to nullify all the other distractions. Don't put the radio on if you like the random songs that come on. It's a distraction. Don't be receiving messages on your phone while you're trying to work. Put it on silent or turn your phone around. Or let people know that for the next hour, you're not going to be working, because distractions will take your train of thought out into a different frequency, and then you've lost that momentum that you had. Cut out as many distractions as you physically can so you can focus on the job. Number 3, practice mindfulness. If you do meditation, you're able to quiet your mind and focus on your breath, yes? If you practice this, you don't need to do it all the time, but if you practice it just for a little while daily, you become really good at telling your mind to shut the fuck up so you can focus on your breath. Because thoughts just come in and out, and these thoughts can distract you from what it is you're trying to do. But if you practice mindfulness and breathing in and out and controlling your breath and focusing on your body movements as you're breathing, the thoughts just keep coming in and out and you don't get distracted. So practice meditation and mindfulness. Number 4, create a routine. I have a routine for every day. That means I know exactly what I'm going to do. If I get to a certain point of the day and that part of the day is getting work done, I know it's head down, work done, because I know what's coming next. I'm going to the gym, or I'm walking the dog, or I'm having a meal. If you have a routine, you're more likely to be able to jump in, get it done. If you're all over the place and you're just kind of sitting down and guess what you're going to do, and you're watching a bit of TV, and then you're having a coffee, and then you're kind of going for a bit of a workout, but you don't know if you're going to do it yet, you're going to be all over the place. Create a routine and you're more likely to zone in when it's time to zone in. Get a routine and use that plan you had from earlier, maximize it with the routine you've got, and boom, lightning focus. And number 5 is stay physically active. When we move our bodies and we keep strong and fit, we are more likely to have a better brain. That's just science, that's how it works. If you are keeping active and you're getting that energy out, and you're not going to be sat at home all fidgety and wanting to twitch around and distract yourself. If you just give yourself a good beasting for 40 minutes to an hour every day, grind at the gym, then you're more likely to be able to come back, use your creativity, get some work done and focus. You're not going to be twitching around just dying to do something because your body wants to move. So get to the gym or get outside, be physical, go on a walk. The longer you sit around and do nothing, the more likely you are to get distracted and not be able to focus. There are your 5 tips from Tyson. This is Tyson's Alchemy, and remember, self-hypnosis is the key.